Hi guys, so I'm going to talk about the State of Nation, what he spoke about, Cyril Ramaphosa. So, what he was talking about and focusing on was the gang wars that is going on in the Cape Flats. So, he wants to deploy the army out there. Okay, that is a good thing because I was also realizing that that will be a better thing to do because every day somebody is dying by a bullet or something. You can't even let your children sit aside and they're dying there from a bullet, or you're walking down the road innocently and you're killed by a bullet. Okay, so you was also talking about employment. He did say the economy is getting better and inflation is going down, but there is still a lot of work. Also, he was talking about job creation. He was talking about infrastructure. He was talking about public services. And he was talking about the water crisis that he's going to sort out. So let's see what's going to happen. But there was actually more things that he could speak about.